Now that you've created a template, you can now assign the media you've uploaded to the zones in your template and assign other values such as duration time, transition effects for images. Begin by hovering over the program icon on the top menu, then click on Playlist, then click the New button. You will now have to select a template. To select your own templates, click on User Templates, then click your desired template and click OK. You should give your playlist a name for future reference. You can do so by inputting it into the playlist field. You will now see a playlist design interface with various tabs representing your different media zones. You will automatically find yourself on the background or BG tab. Begin adding media by clicking on the video tab. This zone will now be highlighted in the preview located in the template info section. Then click the video tab located in the item section at the top. From the videos that you've already uploaded, drag and drop the ones that you want to populate this zone into the bottom section. You will now see a list of the video file that this zone contains. At any time you can get an idea of what the playlist will look like live on screen by clicking Quick Preview. This will launch a preview box showing how your playlist would look if you were to publish it right now. To exit this, click the X in the top right hand corner. Next, click on the first image tab. This zone will now be highlighted in the preview section. Click the image tab located in the item section on the top. From the images you've already uploaded, drag and drop the ones you want to populate this zone into the bottom section. You will now see a list of image files that this zone contains. To edit their duration times and transition effects, select the image files you want to edit, then click the Edit button. A media edit box will now appear. Here you can set the duration time and transition effects of each image file. You can also set the fill effect. If you select fill for your image, it will stretch to fit the aspect ratio of the media zone. If you select scale, your image will retain its original aspect ratio and fill the remaining areas in with black bars. When you've finished, click OK. You can populate your other image zones by following the same steps. Next, click on the Text tab. This zone will now be highlighted in the thumbnail preview. Here you can adjust the font size, scroll direction, scroll speed, background transparency and the colours of both the background and the text. If you wish to add a scrolling message, you can simply enter it into the text field. However, if you want to add an RSS feed, you must click the RSS tab in the item section at the top. You will then see a list of your RSS feeds that you've previously set up. Drag and drop the feed that you wish to display into the bottom section. You will now see the text field filled out with your RSS information. If you have a web page zone, you can enter the URLs by first selecting the relevant tab and then clicking the green Add button. This will launch a dialog box. Enter the URL of the web page you want to display as well as the duration time. The duration time will dictate how often this page is refreshed if there is only one URL. Click OK. If you want to display multiple web pages, repeat this process. Now click the Save button. You will be presented with the following message. Please click OK. Finally, click Back to return to your playlists.